All right, got my Torchmate 4400. I just got this. I'm getting ready to cut something. I've done a couple of projects, just learning how to do this, so bear with me here. I have my design computer over here, and I had designed a little P38 Lightning. It's going to be a key ring holder for my buddy Darren. And there's the plasma right there. And there's the water table. I had brought the file over on a thumb drive to my machine. Did a few adjustments on the setup. I set my torch to position 0. And we're going to start cutting and see what happens. I'm going to hit run job. So let's see what it's going to do. First thing is goes down and it slowly tests the height of my material. I mean slowly. Just going to touch it and then back up. Cutting out a little logo there. To avoid overheating, once it cuts, it goes back to a position that is out of the way, so I can remove my project. And there it is. The other side, got a little bit of stuff there to clean off, but not much at all. I'd say that came out pretty good. And I will finish it up. There you go, Darren.